Welcome to Instruqt Tutorials. In this video, we'll discuss Sandbox presets, their main use cases, and then we'll create our first preset in Instruqt. A sandbox is a self-contained environment using actual products to match real-world scenarios. Every track has a sandbox definition attached to it. Sandbox presets are sandbox definitions that are created separately from a track. A preset can then be reused for multiple tracks. Sandbox presets can contain the same resources as a normal track can, such as containers, virtual machines, cloud accounts, or secrets. Unlike tracks, though, a sandbox preset cannot be started on its own. It first needs to be connected to one or more tracks. There are two main use cases for sandbox presets. They make it easier for content creators to build new tracks without having to recreate the same sandbox definition over and over again. By using a sandbox preset, you only have to create the challenges and not worry about the sandbox definition. They can also be used to create shared hot start pools. With sandbox presets, you can create hot start pools that are shared across multiple tracks. This will allow for enabling hot start for many more tracks at a lower cost. Let's create our first preset using the Instruqt web UI. Go to play.instruqt.com. Click Team Settings, and then Sandbox Presets. Select Create a new preset. Let's call this our first preset. The description box below should be used to help your team understand how the Sandbox preset should be used. Keep the description brief but indicative of the purpose of the preset. Next, we see the option to select a host, either a container or virtual machine. In either case, we'll need to specify a host name and image. For this example, let's select container. For the host name, we'll put host1. For the image, we are given two options, preset image or choose your own custom image. For more information about adding in your own custom images, reference our documentation page. For this example, we'll select preset image and Ubuntu. Now that the host is created, we are now able to create and edit lifecycle scripts for this host by selecting this button in the corner. We are also given the option to add secrets, which the Sandbox preset will have access to in the lifecycle scripts. For more information about creating and selecting new secrets, visit our documentation page. Now, let's select Save to Drafts. Well done! We now have a draft Sandbox preset ready to be modified and/or published for use on the Instruqt platform.